How to enable or disable keyboard keep symbol panel open on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now this is the symbol panel. So when you touch and hold on the period key, it shows the symbol panel. So first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Now go down to the last option and tap on Keep Symbol Panel Open. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And so here, when you touch and hold the period key, keep the panel open after a symbol is selected, so you can enter more than one symbol at a time. So here, if I switch it on and I go to my keyboard, and you can see if I touch and hold to that, I can keep this panel open.
Ampersand, percent, $, pound, apostrophe, pound apostrophe exclamation ellipsis.
And that's it. So that is how you can keep it open. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.